Hello YouTube, welcome to another vlog. It's a new week. Today is Monday, 5th of August, right? So we are just cleaning the cupboard, organizing everything over here. The fixture plate will be here soon. And so we are just organizing everything, digitizing our files, and we found this interesting register, the first register of Velocity Racers, from the time it was founded, 2014. So we are very excited. It's all very exciting for us, and it's really cool to organize all this. We are getting to know so much about the club, so much we didn't know before. So many documents, so many
useful.
permissions.
We have all the contacts of our vendors, so it's so useful for us.
And our seniors have kept everything so neatly that everything, like, just by looking at the file we know what is there inside, what is the content of the file. So it's not a lot of work, but we still need to organize everything in here, so that's what we are doing today.
Props to our seniors for keeping all these files organized. Hats off to them. Also, it have all the previous bills, all the documents, all the permissions, so it's really helpful for us. And so, what are you going to show us?
Oh yeah, here's something interesting. We have seen this before.
That's you guys.
Thank you for all the support you are giving us. It's really encouraging us to make better content, and we are going to try and improve our content every week.
And you know what? We actually hit 1k views.
Oh,
Come
yes, we hit 1k views. Soon we are going to hit 1k subscribers as well. I hope. Yes. Subscribe, like.
Just completed 50 subscribers.
Just share, everyone will get to learn something new here, and they'll.
We'll make sure that you actually get something.
It's all about the knowledge
And
transfer.
yeah, henceforth, we'll know that
Catman is here.
the Catman.
Catman without his cat. Pretty sad.
Actually, it's sad. The cat we have is taken to hostel because it was just peeing everywhere, and
We'll miss the cat.
we'll miss the cat.
What we did yesterday, we went for pipe bending in MID. So we cannot reveal the name of the vendor just yet. We'll get to know soon on our Instagram page. Make sure to follow. So these are the bends. We did them using CNC bending. So for CNC bending, they require this angle. There is a pulley for radius 90. So these are all radius 90 bends, and the angle was provided by us through drawing files. This angle is 162 degree, and the length was provided with some clearances. So after this, they just program it into the CNC, and the bending is done within a few seconds. So like this, the 8 main pipes that we needed are done with.
Can you show where that pipes go?
I cannot show where that pipes go. Secret stuff.
People can easily see that.
Yeah, I know people can see, but not just yet.
Okay.
We'll see the main channel
Soon. Soon? As in a month?
soon, as in at the competition. So that's all we did on Sunday. Apart from that, we did do some work regarding finance, so we cannot reveal that as well. But let's get back to what we are doing right now. Cleaning in progress.
What is it?
So, Captain told this we use it in our old vehicle, Epicycle. He didn't told us we will use it in our new vehicle or not. Maybe we are going to use. Let's see.
₹5 का coin मिला for my hard work. OCD pays off, guys.
You know what we should do? Just keep it where it was, just for good luck, Just in case. Whoa. What are you doing?
Now equipment.
What's that?
These are old Arduino, Mega Arduino Uno, and we found one display. So now it's our process to find that it will be working now or not. There's stuff, jumper wires, a display, one more old display.
An electronics enthusiast gold mine.
Some of the sensors.
No, that's how Soham treats us everywhere here, right? Is that true?
No.
No?
It's worse, but I am feeling about it.
Wow, what year is that? Postcard?
Postcard.
It's actually postcard, right? Old dates back in that 90s era or what?
Before lockdown.
So things were different. Yep.
And after COVID, you see.
Yep. We don't know. Guys, that's a good brand. Not sponsored, but Taparia, if you're looking, just hit us up in the comments. We have the Gmail.
Short.
Odomos, hit us up if you're watching.
Very important.
Very important.
We need you, Odomos.
Need you.
Go again.
That's about it. Okay, guys. That were intended for long-term goals, right? Yes. To be achieved in like 2-3 months span. So don't judge us by that progress. No weekly task. Yep. What are you doing?
We are making posters on Canva.
Hello, Soham.
Hello.
After a long while,
Yes,
how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling well.
And what are you doing?
Nothing app development. We are making an app for the car. Like there is for a lot of latest vehicles.
And what's the purpose of the app?
Well, it is to track the car, then to helmet detection, warning, basically all the features, and basically tracking where the car is and anti-theft, all that.
Cool. Give us a sneak peek. That's not our car. What are you doing today?
I'm trying to create a flat pattern. I think I did an extra step. Should be able to see like this.
Oh, so you're making profile stickers.
Yes, profile stickers. This is how a pipe looks flat into it.
Can you tell people what's the use of profile stickers?
So suppose we have two pipes like this, right? And you have to fit a pipe on top of this pipe. Okay. So if you go on like this, there's going to be a lot of gaps on either sides. To counteract that, what we do is we create a dip in this gap, dip on one pipe, so that the other pipe fits perfectly here, and there's no gaps. So we can weld nicely without having any gaps. And yeah, as the gaps are less, it increases the strength of the welding and the overall strength of the whole chassis. So this is an example of our stickers. So these are few pipes that we've practiced welding on. As you can see, there's one here and there's one here. But these two are not really aligned together, if you look at it. That's a problem. To fix that problem, we'll keep a sticker here and also a sticker here, so that they're perfectly in line. As you can see, welding two pipes straight or profiling two pipes straight seems easy, but what if there are three pipes or more, and what if they're at weird angles? For example, in our chassis, we have a weird angle here and then three pipes here, and for that we need different sort of angles, and it's pretty hard to calculate them, but if we model it on CAD and then print the profile directly, it's pretty easy. So yeah, that's how we do it quickly.
Somit, so today is
Wednesday, 7th of August.
and what are we doing today?
We are actually preparing for our inductions. We're going to induct some second years before the first year starts this academic year. So yeah, we need some help in the manufacturing phase, because manufacturing is going to be a real long process, and we need a lot of hands on board to make sure we complete on time.
Cool. So what are you doing right now?
Making an induction poster. so that we can spark some interest in the people, and hopefully we'll have a lot of interviews to cover next week or the coming week. We haven't really decided on the time yet, but we're gonna induct a few people, and yeah, you might see some new faces soon.
So, and what would you like to say the people of CAP who are watching these vlogs and want to actually come to our club?
Come to Velocity Racers, best club at COAP. Okay. Get a lot of practical knowledge, and yeah, everyone's friendly here, and you might have a great time. You will have a great time. So
And might learn.
yeah, you
few
might
things.
learn a lot of things. Not might, you will learn a lot of things related to cars, hybrids, EVs, and yes, you can enhance your portfolio by that.
So, what are you doing today?
Nothing, just making an app. It's in a prototype stage now. It's not working, it's just basic template.
That's a Shanghai HDR. That's a free HDR on Blender Kit plugin. So check it out if you want. Somit. And today is.
Today is Thursday, 8th of August.
And what are we doing?
What are we doing? So we're waiting for the arrival of a fixture plate and welding gas. Till that happens, we're all trying to improve ourselves personally. Myself, I'm trying to learn some MATLAB, which is going to be helpful on the electrical side of things. This is the start of the on-ramp course. So yeah, we're all expanding our horizons, learning something new till the fixture plate arrives, and then we'll start the manufacturing.
Cool.
Well, I'm developing the app now, and I'm learning on the way. So yeah, this is basically. So this is how an Android development thing looks. There's a code here. You code here and you see the output here in this form. Right now it's loading.
Cool.
The design process is actually over, but we just had a few ideas which could just make the chassis and the entire packaging better. So we are just trying it out.
So, hey guys, we're gonna have inductions in the week after Independence Day. So, we're just finalizing everything, the timings, the dates, the posters, how we're gonna lay it out, when are we gonna lay it out, how many prints we need. So, a lot of things go into plan before the actual interview, before the actual first round. So, yeah, hopefully we'll wind that up.
So yeah, just made a poster now, and now I'm learning MATLAB, which is going to be helpful in simulating the car, all the parameters of the car, all the systems of the car. So it's basically going to be useful in that, and mainly it's going to be useful in electrical systems. So since we don't have the electrical systems right now, it's going to be helpful in simulating those. So yeah, but it's very meticulous software. There's not enough material on the web, and this is just basics.
Okay, so we are practicing profiling today. This type of profiling is done on angle grinder, but for a try, we are trying this on this machine. And that's a weekly wrap. Today is Sunday, and let's see what the team is up to. What are you doing?
Cut maraisa sir. Well, we are lining the machine for cutting the pipes.
Oh, we are cutting pipes today, right?
Yes. So it is right now at 45 degrees. So we are making it 90 degrees.
Cool.
What are you doing, Kudun? We are just deciding how to cut these pipes properly.
Okay, so you're planning.
So we are just going to cut them into little pieces and then set the cutter to the angle of 45 degrees and then cut the 45 degree angle. Anyway, we are keeping a clearance of 10 mm, so it won't be a problem. But fitting this pipe directly in a 45 degree angle might be hard. So we are just going to cut them up into little pieces, so it will be easier.
Cool. And these are the profile stickers that you just saw previously. So juniors have done a very good job at cutting them and labeling according to the pipes they are going to be sticked on. Yeah, see you in the next week. Until then, subscribe, stay safe, and next week will be amazing. What are your thoughts?
For sure, a lot of things should be done next week. Hopefully the fixer arrives too. And yeah, we'll be having more time, more content hopefully soon.